Welcome to the Demme Learning Digital Toolbox. We're going to take a quick tour of the new features and functions that you can find in this digital space that's an important part of your curriculum. First, let's log in. Here we can see the 4 different account options we can use to log in. They are Homeschool Parent or Instructor, School Admin or Co-op Admin, Student, and Teacher. If you're not sure which account type to use, you can click the icon next to each one for more information. Let's start by logging in as a homeschool parent or instructor. Here we have the option to sign in or create an account. Since this is an existing instructor account, we're going to sign in using our email and secure password, which brings us to this page, where we'll need to select Digital Toolbox to complete our login. When you log on to the Digital Toolbox for the first time, your screen will look like this. Before we continue, it's a good idea to double-check our account type, which we can find in the top left corner of the dashboard. If you're not logged in to the correct account type, verify that you use the correct login information, and if that doesn't solve the issue, contact Demme Learning Customer Support. Right now, we're logged in as an instructor, which is what we want for the purposes of this tour, so let's keep moving. We'll start by adding a student. To add a student, select New Student in the top corner over here, which will open this window. We're prompted to create a username and password for our student. Note that the student's username must be unique, so if MathIsCool22 is already taken, we'll have to come up with a different one. This username is available, so now it's time to create a password for our student's account. We also have the option to assign a grade level to our student during this step. Now we can assign online instruction with video to our student. First, we select a course from the drop-down menu. Next, we can use the toggle to choose whether or not to grant student access to all solution files within a course. We can do the same with the option to limit student navigation. Once everything is to our liking, we can select Assign Online Instruction with Video. To assign another online instruction with video, simply repeat these steps again. Now that our student is set up, let's explore the digital toolbox. The side panel is how we'll navigate our digital toolbox. This is where we can find the various tools at our disposal. Let's check it out. Redeem Online Instruction with Video provides you with step-by-step instructions on how to redeem your online instruction with video access code. The Help and Support menu is loaded with useful articles that'll answer just about any questions you may have pertaining to the digital toolbox. In the Digital Tools menu, you'll find the virtual manipulatives, worksheet generator, and online drills application. My Online Instruction with Video is where you'll find the programs that you've purchased or are available to you. Below My Online Instruction with Video, we can see All Online Instruction with Video. The All Online Instruction with Video dropdown allows you to preview the first 3 lessons of any MathUC product, regardless of whether or not you've purchased that program. Use this section to explore what future learning awaits you. Below that is Explore Demme Learning. From here, you can access the Support Center, Store, Learning Blog, and our brands. Errors Corrections will open a database of corrections for the MathUC, AIM, and stewardship programs. Before you begin a lesson, it's a good idea to use this tool to check for errors. Alternatively, if you or your student think you may have found an error in the course materials, you can use the errata tool to check if that error has already been reported. If not, we'd love to hear about it. All mathematicians make mistakes, and part of being lifelong learners is knowing how to fix our errors. Now that we're familiar with the options in the side panel, let's talk about how to navigate our online instruction with video. After selecting a level, in this case Gamma, we can see that the side panel now displays the lessons in our online instruction with video. The video player generally displays at the top of the main content section. Depending on the curriculum, additional navigation may appear to the right of the video player. Under the video player are button links that lead to important lesson-related instruction or resources. These buttons change by both curriculum level and by lesson, so it's important to read the button titles and click through them to ensure you don't miss anything that you need to be successful. For some products, buttons might take you to a glossary or a scientific calculator app, while in others, buttons might include lesson instructions. The drop-downs are found under the buttons. As with the buttons, the drop-down titles and contents depend on the curriculum level and lesson. For some products, drop-downs might include solutions, indices, and resources. While in other products, drop-downs might include solutions, additional learning activities, and other resources. Before we go, let's look at one final area of the digital toolbox. In the top right corner of any screen, you'll find icons for Help and Account information. The Help icon provides links to the Support Center, this tour video, browser support, our customer support number, and customer support email. Our customer support team is one of the best in the biz, so be sure to make use of them. The Account information icon lets you return to the dashboard, change your password, or sign out. This concludes your digital toolbox tour of the powerful and exceptional curriculum systems that are now at your fingertips. For information about how to get started using a specific curriculum, take a look at the curriculum materials that you've purchased. For specific instructions on how to do things like find your online instruction with video, add and manage students, or perform other tasks in the digital toolbox, check out the Support Center.